Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about how to change from fractions to decimals. First example, how to convert 4 over 1000 into a decimal. 1000 in the denominator here means that we should put 3 digits after the decimal point, or it means that we have 3 decimal places. And up in the numerator, we just have one digit, which is 4. So we're going to put the 4 in the thousands place. And what about the tenth and the hundredth? We're going to fill them with zeros. So the answer is going to be 0.004. How can I read this number? It's read as 4 thousandths. Exactly by the same way, we are going to change this into a decimal. But here, what's the difference between this example and the last one? The last one was a fraction, and this one is a mixed number. A mixed number is a mix between a whole number and a fraction. So first of all, forget about the whole number and look at the fraction. What's the fraction here? 567 over 1000. 1000 in the denominator, as we mentioned before, we're gonna place 3 digits after the decimal. We have to fill them all. So we're gonna fill them by the 3 digits which are up in the numerator. So after the decimal point, in the tenth, we're gonna put 5. In the hundredth, put 6. And in the thousandth, put 7. What about the ones place? The whole number part. Here we have a mixed number, and we said that the number part here is 3. So we're going to put 3 in the ones. So the answer, 3.567. How can we read this? We're going to read it as 3 and 567 thousandth. So when we read any decimal, we have to read the whole number part alone, which is 3 here in this example. Then replace the decimal point by and then read the decimal part as a whole, which is 567. Then we have 3 decimal places, so we will put the word thousandths at the end. Another example, 24 and 34 over 1000. It's a mixed number as well. So what shall we do? Forget about the whole number part first, and then we will go to the fraction part. 34 over 1000. 1000 in the denominator means I need to fill 3 digits after the decimal point. So we're gonna put the 4 in the thousands place, 3 in the hundreds place, and in the tenth place we put 0 because we have only 2 digits up in the numerator. That's for the digits after the decimal. What about the digits before the decimal point? We're gonna put the whole number part, which is 24. So it's 24.034. How can I read this number? It's 24 and 34 thousandth. Here we said thousandth at the end because we have 3 decimal places. Let's move to another example. This is from your booklet, how to write the equivalent decimal for the given questions. In the first one, which is number 16, we have 9 thousandth. There is a big difference between 9 thousandths that ends with ds and this one which ends with dths. 9 thousandths means 9 and 3 zeros, 9,000. And here 9,000th means 9 over 1,000, which is a decimal. How can I change 9 over 1,000 to a decimal? As we mentioned in the last examples, 1,000 in the denominator means we're gonna put 3 digits after the decimal and we have to fill them in. 9 will be in the thousands place and the other digits will be zeros. What about number 17? 25 thousandth. We're going to write it as a fraction first. So it's 25 over 1000. So we need to fill 3 digits after the decimal point and put the 5 in the thousands place, the 2 in the hundredth place. We don't have any digit to put in the 10th place, so we have to fill it with 0 and then the 0 before the decimal point. So it's 25,000. Number 18, 416,000th, 416 over 1000. We need to fill 3 digits after the decimal point. So we're going to put after the decimal 4 in the 10th, 1 in the hundredth, and 6 in the thousandth. Before the decimal point, in the ones place, we are going to put 0. Number 19, 1055 thousandths. Write it as a fraction, so it's 1055 over 1000. We have to fill 3 digits after the decimal point, so we're gonna put the 5 in the thousandth, the other 5 in the hundredth, and the 0 in the tenth, and the 1 will be pushed before the decimal point to be in the ones place. So it's 1.055, and it can be read as 1 and 55 thousandth. Hope that you enjoyed today's lesson. Thanks for watching. See you the next video. Goodbye.